Have you ever been greeted by someone touching your hand to their forehead? Or seen a neighborhood come together to move an entire house? These are just glimpses into the heart of Filipino culture. In today's diverse world, understanding different culture help us connect, communicate, and celebrate each other. As someone born and raised in the Philippines and now living in the United States, I've experienced both the beauty of the tradition and the challenge of adapting to a new environment. Filipino culture is a dynamic blend of indigenous tradition and colonial influences, rooted in family and community, and continues to thrive as co-culture in multicultural societies. Today, I'll walk you through three key aspects. Number one is the historical and cultural foundation of Filipino identity. Number two is the core values and tradition that shape Filipino life. And number three is how Filipino culture evolves in diaspora. Historical and cultural foundation. Filipino culture is a mosaic of influences. According to Britannica 2025, it's shaped by the Australian roots over 300 years of Spanish colonization and American influence. This fusion created a unique identity where Catholicism, fiestas, and bilingualism coexist with indigenous customs. As Kiri Travel 2024 explains, over 80% of Filipinos are Catholic and many speak a mix of Tagalog and English daily. This blend reflects our colonial past and our adaptability. As Dr. Kevin Nadal, a Filipino-American psychologist, puts in, Filipino culture as a fusion of East and West, indigenous and colonial, traditional and modern. Core values and traditions. Filipino values are deeply relational. We practice pakikisama or social harmony, utang na loob, a sense of gratitude and obligation, and bayanihan, the spirit of communal unity. These values show up in everyday life, from helping neighbors to honoring elders with the manupo gesture. According to Live Life, Philippines 2025, 90% of Filipinos says family is the most important part of their lives. We celebrate through fiestas, respect through rituals, and connect through food, where every meal is a chance to bond. Filipino co-culture in the diaspora. When Filipinos migrate, our culture doesn't disappear, it adapts, and the US Filipino Americans maintain traditions while blending into mainstream society. We code switch, join Filipino student groups, and celebrate Filipino American History Month. According to Culture Trip 2025, these practices help preserve identity and foster belonging into multicultural spaces. Even in the new environments, we carry our values, family, faith, and resilience into our schools, workplace, and communities. Filipino culture is more than tradition. It's a living, evolving force. It's shaped by history, sustained by values, and strengthened by community. Today we explore its roots, its heart, and its journey across borders. So next time you hear Kamusta Ka or see a Filipino celebration, remember, behind every gesture is a story of connection, pride, cultural, and resilience.